Hi there, I'm Graham Moore. I want to thank you for clicking on the link that you were sent so that I could share with you some information about what you're going to gain when you do this workshop with me in April. The workshop that I'm talking about is Selling with Emotional Intelligence. The dates, 26th, 27th, 28th of April, between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. each day, Ramadan hours. So why should you give up your valuable time during Ramadan to attend this course? Well, we know that Ramadan is a time for reflection. I think it's also a time for learning. And here's a great opportunity for you if you're involved in sales. I've been doing sales training for 25 years. I've been doing emotional intelligence training for 20 years. When we bring those two together, we know that we get great results. So in these 2 days, I will share with you an understanding of emotional intelligence, which I know will have a positive effect on your life. That's what happens. Here's a little secret, perhaps. Your emotional intelligence will have a greater effect on your career success than your master's degree or your MBA or your PhD. Yep, it will. Emotional intelligence is powerful. When you understand emotional intelligence and you're in sales, and you combine those two through the ways that I'll be showing you, you will improve your sales results, no question. So, be with us, join, sign up, register for this program called Selling with Emotional Intelligence. You'll improve life for you in all aspects. You'll improve your sales results. 26th, 27th, 28th of April, I look forward to having you on this program with me.